Habari na karibu katika somo nyingine la Kiswahili. Hello and welcome back to another lesson of Swahili. Katika somo la leo utajifunza majina ya sehemu za mti. In today's lesson, you will learn the names of part of a tree. So let's start with the leaves. Jani. Jani. Jani means a leaf. Or majani, leaves. Let me make this bigger so you can see. So, jani is a leaf. Jani. Jani. Majani. Majani means leaves. Majani. Jani, majani. The second part is tawi. Tawi. Tawi means a branch. A branch or matawi. Matawi, which means branches. So, tawi, 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 which means a branch. Matawi, matawi. Matawi means branches. The third part is the trunk, which is shina. Shina, trunk. Trunk or mashina in plural, trunks. Shina, a trunk, mashina, trunks. And the last part is mzizi. Mzizi. Mzizi, which means the root or mizizi. Roots. So these are parts of the trees in Swahili. So we have jani, which is a leaf, or majani, which means leaves. Then we have tawi, a branch, or matawi, branches. Shina, a trunk, or mashina, trunks. Mzizi, a root, mizizi, roots. Examples, how to use these words in sentences. Mifano, mti huu una matawi matano. Mti huu una matawi matano. It means this tree has 5 branches. Mti huu una matawi matano. It means this tree has 5 branches. Matawi means branches. The second one is mti huu una shina nene. Mti huu una shina nene. It means this tree has a thick trunk. It means this tree has a thick trunk. Shina means trunk. Shina means trunk. And the last example is mti huu una mizizi mingi. It means this tree has a lot of roots. Mizizi. Mizizi. Mizizi means roots. Roots. Mti huu una mizizi mingi. This tree has a lot of roots. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.